Hi guys, my name is Anthony and this is scripted for you. Today I have something really important on the Bitcoin chart. So, look at this. Bitcoin actually broke up. It went up out of this triangle. Both of these triangles, there's a descending triangle and a falling wedge. So one of them was bearish, but one of them was bullish. So we broke out to the upside, but right now we're literally tapping the line. Something interesting is going on. Are we gonna be seeing a big fall since we're doing something bad, or are we going to be seeing continuation of the bull cycle for the next month or so? All that and more in this video, so let's get into it. So we have two triangles right here, guys. You can see that one of them is a descending triangle like that, and the other one is a falling wedge. So the descending triangle is a 70% chance to the downside, bearish, but the falling wedge is a 70% chance to the upside, bullish. So those two are fighting against each other. So technically one of them was wrong, and so this one, the descending wedge, actually looked wrong. It started looking wrong ever since we started breaking this support more frequently. So we started breaking this support because the falling wedge were here, and then we broke it again, and I'm just like, it's making a falling wedge. So what actually happened? Let me show you guys why we broke out right here. One, because of this triangle. Two, because the stochastic RSI and the RSI were begging for us to go up. They were like at practically incredible buy in the RSI. Practically, we were like 5% higher, and then the stochastic RSI was at 0, guys. It literally was at 0, and that's why we actually went up. And the Bollinger Bands, by the way, guys, was opening really hard. Look how wide it opened. If I can just hide the price, you can see, look at this wide opening, guys. By the way, all of these dots right here can delete because they're kind of annoying, but look at this. All of this such a, how much is this, like a 90-degree angle? It's really steep. It's like an 80-degree angle. And so right now we're closing, of course. So if I turn on the price again, look at this. We're tapping the support, and of course that is the 20-day moving average. So that means we're above it again in the 4-hourly time frame. But what's more important is the daily time frame. We got rejected, guys, and that's really bad. We're getting rejected from the daily time frame. That means that we're in the long term bearish. Maybe, but maybe not, because look at this. We have been seeing another bullish pattern. So this is just Bitcoin fighting against itself because it's like a 50-50. So there is this, like on the daily time frame, it looks bearish because the 20-day moving average is actually getting rejected. The Bitcoin price is getting rejected by the 20-day moving average. But we are seeing this triangle that is bullish. We just broke up. So our target, by the way, should be around 70% of this. We should come back about to back to this price. But if we get rejected at this price, which is the all-time high right now, 42,000, if we get rejected, that does mean that we're doing a double top. We could have correction, but that's bearish, and that would be we're going to be above the 20-day moving average, which means we're going to be bullish. So that's kind of getting mixed up again. And also we were doing a W pattern right here. You guys can see that this W pattern. You can see that right there. So this W pattern, if you guys draw a line, let's see where this target's going to go. So if we measure the line from this bottom to the neckline, and then we put it to the point of the breakout, you see that this line comes to this resistance, which is about where we went, which since our wick came up to here, and we're supposed to come to there, but not quite. We didn't reach the target. Of course, if you get the Fibonacci retracement, let's just get from the swing low to the swing high, you see that we're tapping the 0.618 level and the support and the 20-day moving average, which means that in the short term, we should be going up because of we're tapping the 20-day moving average, we're tapping the 0.618 ratio on the Fibonacci retracement, and we're tapping the 20-day moving average, the support of this triangle, and also we're supposed to confirm this big price target. So this price target would take us to this level, which would mean we're going to get rejected. $40,000. Of course, if we get $40,000, that would be we could keep going up, because if we break that, that could be meaning that we could be doing higher highs. Because for now, guys, look at this. We're doing lower lows, guys. So if we're gonna keep doing lower lows, as long as we're doing lower lows, we're in this bearish trend. And if we start doing higher highs, like remember we did right here, we did a higher high, we did a higher high, we did a higher high. But now we start doing lower lows and lower lows and lower lows. But we're not officially bearish yet, because to make the previous lower low, we're supposed to break this level, because this was already a lower low in the smaller time frame, but this is the exact price that we're supposed to break to actually be bearish. So what am I saying? So basically, I'm saying that we're in this triangle, we broke out. There's a W, and that means we're bullish, we're going to $42,000. There's a W that we didn't reach yet, that takes us to 40,000, but a resistance. And we're right now falling, tapping the 20-day moving average on the 4-hour time frame. We're tapping the support of this triangle, this falling wedge, and 3, we're tapping the 0.618 ratio, which is the golden ratio. Does that mean that we could be going up? Right now, we look like we could be tapping it because we didn't quite tap it. We practically tap it, but we're tapping it so close. We're perfectly tapping it. So, if we confirm support right here, which we're going to be seeing in the next candle, guys. So we're going to see if we're going to break this. Right now, as I'm recording this video, 32,600. That's what the 20-day moving average is. If we confirm it, we could be seeing a 5-wave move to this price target. If we break this price target right here, 42,200, then we could have a little correction, but then we could, and then we break this. If we break it here or have a correction and break it again because of the 0.61 ratio and the 5-way move, then we could keep going in our bullish trend. But if we break right now this, and then we break this level, that could signal a big correction. Of course, I've been talking about this for who knows how long already, and the stock to flow model is orange, and I'll talk about this a lot. But if we get the top from here to the bottom of how much we fell, that is not that much. It is like barely tapping the 30%. We fell 31.5%. That is already between that level that I was talking about. But of course, that would mean that we could keep going up. So all that matters is right here. I'm not that bearish on Bitcoin anymore since this triangle was a fake. And now we're doing this bullish triangle. But the only thing that worries me right now is that if we break this line right here, we're going back into this triangle. And that means this triangle right here would be fake too. And that means we could be falling down here, which would be tapping the support. And also on the daily time frame, the 20-day moving average, we're getting rejected off of it. So we're going to have to see this, because right now it's on 34,300. Watch the price right now, guys. If we break above it, which by the way, we had a really strong candle to the upside, which is also bearish. It's a dead cat bounce, I think, or what is it called? I forgot its name. But this is bearish. This is a bearish line. And so if we, right now, it's at 34,300. Watch the Bitcoin price. If we get rejected off of this and start falling, guys, this could be bad for Bitcoin, because we're going to break the 20-day moving average. We're already broken on the daily time frame, got rejected, but on the 4-hour time frame, we could be confirming support, and that's going to be what saves our life, because of course, we're going to confirm support on the 20-day moving average, which looks like we're doing it right now. We're going to confirm support on this triangle, which makes us go to $42,000. But of course, if we get rejected on the $42,000, we're going to fall. So for now, all that matters, guys, watch this price right here, $32,700. If we confirm support, start going up right now, you guys, I think we could be going to around $42,000, or at least 90% of the way there. Maybe $41,000. The minimum is $40,000. Of course, the stochastic RSI and the RSI are kinda low, but not really. The stochastic RSI is what I'm worried about, but the RSI is low. So this means that Bitcoin could be doing something. So watch Bitcoin right now. It could be doing something, some big move. It breaks right now to the downside, we're going down. We're going to be back into this triangle, which is going to be a fluke, because there's going to be too much bouncing out. Of course, I can take this triangle a little bit up like that, and that would be even better. That means we're confirming support right now. That would be even better. But if we break right now, it looks like it could be a fluke. And so, guys, watch this triangle right now. And so that's all I'm gonna say in this video. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!